Do you ever find yourself struggling to manifest the life you desire? Do you feel like you're constantly chasing after your dreams but never quite reaching them? Well, what if I told you that there's a way to manifest automatically, effortlessly, and without resistance? Yes, that's right. In today's video, we're going to explore the secrets of automatic manifestation and how you can tap into this incredible power. So sit back, relax, and get ready to unlock the door to your dreams. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. But the first question comes in here. What exactly is the fulfillment? To understand this, imagine a river flowing smoothly, effortlessly, and abundantly. That's exactly what fulfillment feels like. Confused? No problem, let's dive deep into this. For that, close your eyes and picture this. A life where your desires effortlessly flow to you, one after the other. Imagine stepping into a river where the current guides you towards your dreams, effortlessly making them a reality. Now open your eyes. How do you feel? Did you feel fulfilled while your eyes were closed? Great, let's move further. The state of fulfillment is the key to automatic manifestation. When you are in a state of fulfillment, you naturally attract and manifest your desires effortlessly. Fulfillment is not something that you need to chase after or strive for. It's already within you. Everything in the universe has been perfectly planned and ordered to fulfill each and every one of your desires. All you have to do is tap into that infinite potential within you. In the state of fulfillment, every desire is already planned and ordered, ready to manifest. Just like a grand symphony, the universe orchestrates every note in perfect harmony, materializing your deepest desires. Your role is simply to align yourself with this divine plan and witness the magic unfold. Remaining in the state of fulfillment allows for effortless and automatic actions and opportunities. When we are in the state of fulfillment, we are open to receiving intuitive guidance and following inspired actions. These actions flow effortlessly from us because we are aligned with our true purpose and highest potential. Opportunities and synchronicities present themselves in our lives without us having to force or manipulate them. It is a state of effortlessness and flow where the right people, circumstances, and resources are effortlessly attracted into our lives to support our desires. My friends, there is only one consciousness, and everything moves in perfect harmony automatically. In the state of fulfillment, we realize the interconnectedness of all things and understand that there is only one consciousness that permeates everything. We are part of a grand tapestry where every thread is intricately woven together to create a beautiful masterpiece. In this state, we experience a deep sense of oneness and interconnectedness with everything and everyone around us. It is a profound realization that everything is in perfect harmony and alignment. Wavering into different states of consciousness can lead to worry and being swayed. When we allow ourselves to be swayed by external circumstances and opinions, we can easily be pulled out of the state of fulfillment. It is important to remain centered and aligned with our true essence, regardless of the external world. By staying focused on our desires and maintaining a positive and confident mindset, we can remain in the state of fulfillment and attract more of what we desire into our lives. The key to staying in a state of fulfillment is to find it internally, through your imagination, rather than seeking it in external reflections. Your imagination holds immense power. It is the gateway to your dreams. By tapping into your imagination and visualizing your desires as if they have already come true, you align yourself with a state of fulfillment. We can add external experiences to enhance our journey, rather than relying on them for our sense of fulfillment. Now you might be wondering, what about bliss? Can I experience bliss in all aspects of my life when I'm in a state of fulfillment? Absolutely. Bliss is unconditional and can be experienced in every moment, whether it's in your relationships, career, health, or personal growth. When you are fulfilled, you radiate joy and attract more of it into your life. Within our bodies, a molecule called anandamide, also known as the bliss molecule, is naturally produced. When we nurture our mental and physical well-being, we unlock the release of this powerful neurotransmitter, bringing forth sensations of profound bliss and contentment. Accepting desires as already fulfilled is about accepting oneself unconditionally. By recognizing our inherent worthiness and deservingness, we pave the way for our desires to effortlessly manifest in our lives. The Autotelic way of being is the ideal state to manifest automatically. Being Autotelic means being fulfilled without needing external validation. You become the master of your own happiness, no longer dependent on external circumstances. This empowers you to manifest effortlessly, as your focus is solely on the fulfillment of your desires rather than seeking approval or validation from others. By cultivating an inner sense of purpose and joy, we can navigate our lives with a strong sense of self-worth, detached from the opinions of others. Our minds are powerful tools that shape our reality. By intentionally renewing our thoughts and beliefs, we liberate ourselves from external control, paving the way for true freedom and alignment with the state of fulfillment. Beyond the noise and distractions of the world, our true nature remains steadfast and eternal. By connecting to this inner essence, we anchor ourselves in a state of fulfillment, where external chaos loses its power and we embrace our true selves. When we're in the state of fulfillment, we align ourselves with our authentic truth. Free from fears, doubts, and societal pressures, we express ourselves genuinely and find fulfillment through living in alignment with our deepest values and beliefs. And there you have it, the secrets to automatic manifestation. We hope this video has inspired you to tap into the infinite potential within you and manifest the life of your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. What are your experiences with automatic manifestation? Have you noticed any changes in your life since embracing the state of fulfillment? Share your journey with us. As you continue on your manifestation journey, remember that you are divinely supported. May God's blessings be with you every step of the way, guiding you towards the fulfillment of your dreams. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep embracing the power within you. May your life be filled with joy, abundance, and automatic manifestation.